Yes, that's done.
GenJeFT.
So I've done exactly what the book says to do, and it just doesn't work.
Oh, range not found. So I do it Notepad++. There we go. So straight away. So I can't find class nav. You know.
Yeah, because you need to put the Fish Creek CSS into another
No, I've
folder.
done that. I've done that. It's all right.
So you shouldn't have a hard time finding it once you've done that.
Just now I've got. Oh, what's that? That div finishes there. Right. So I'm just relaying your workout so I can actually read it. The drop down list. Sorry, detailed list. Div, break, div. Let's check what it's covering. No, it's covering it. So that's cool. Not writing any PHP today. Hash wrapper. Ah, there it is. Got it.
What?
If this works, you're going to kick yourself. It's one of those when you're a program, you go, oh, for God's sake.
Did you put a hashtag in front of it?
No.
No.
It's even more knobby than that.
More knobby than that.
Go to your style sheet.
Go to my style sheet.
Yeah, open that up.
I already have it open. Yes. Okay.
Where you know where it says margin hyphen left.
Spaces. The
You put
motherfucking spaces.
You put motherfucking spaces in there, man. But because I'm using Notepad++, it picked it up straight away, and I saw the error.
And because I didn't. I like to
can't
put
see.
spaces in everything because it makes it easier for me to read it.
It's just code.
Yeah.
It's just code. Use Notepad++, for God's sake, and begin to lay your code out like I do with all the hierarchy indented, because you will find it a million times easier to find all the problems. Please, I'm just taking it from an old sweat. It's been doing it for 30 years, all right?
Because I put motherfucking spaces. Open with, i.e. Fuck me. Okay, then I'm gonna have to reboot the computer just to reclaim my freaking memory.
Okay.
Is there a way to see what it is that's taking that memory up?
Yes. If you right click on the task manager, bring task manager up. Excuse me. Right. Now, if you look, you should see your list of processes. One of the things should be memory.
Yeah.
And click the header at the top of the thing.
Yeah, and it sorts by
my memory usage.
Memory usage. The top 4 things don't even use a gig.
Yeah, but what's the total? What's it? See, because I've got Windows 8 running. It tells me I'm using 47% of my memory.
Yeah, if I go to performance, I am using. It doesn't give me a percentage.
I've got. Are you running into? Are you running?
It says I'm using 63% of my physical memory.
Yeah.
Which is absurd.
Right. If you go to performance, are you running Windows 8? Are you?
Windows 7.
Windows 7. If you look under your CPU, you should be able to see. It could be a combination of CPU usage. You should see what I'm doing. Talking to you, I think the task manager in Windows 8 is absolutely tremendous. It's absolutely tremendous. It's telling me so much information about my what's going on. Would you believe it? I can tell you now, my processor doing this, talking to you, and sitting with a couple of things open on the desktop, right, is running at 5% performance. In fact, it's even winding back the speed to just chill out a little. Okay.
What's winding back the speed to chill out a little bit?
My machine.
Yeah.
It's only running one of the cores, and even that's only at 5%. And it's going, you know what? I'm just going to sit here and chill.
4, 5, 6. I'm using 6 cores on and off at the moment.
I've only got 4 on this machine. I've got 3.8 gig of memory used, 48%. My disk is 0%. My other disk is... My Wi-Fi is going fucking spastic. Yeah,
You're gonna love this. My network activity, 0% utilized.
Depends what it's detecting. I'm running at about 56 kilobits per second. It's saying 112, 5064.
Yeah, I'm running under. It
Ah.
peaked at 750 for a second, and
I'm
that doesn't even register as my network utilization.
1 megabit per second. Mine's peaking at 1 megabit per second, just over 1 megabit per second.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's making little peaks. It's going.
Yeah, mine hasn't reached 1 megabyte per second, but even 1 megabyte per second doesn't even.
Yeah.
It's not even a percentage of what the network is capable of. But what is actually grabbing my memory? Why? What is it?
Yeah, have a look at your processors and see what's as well to see what's running all your CPU time.
You can you see it on my screen on the Twitch?
All right, let's go have a look at Twitchy. Not that, you fucking idiot.
It's Twitchy.
Twitchy? Oh, it's the old one. Okay.
Everything below this is like single-digit megabytes. It's not even.
Okay. Right, have a look at your.
Internet Explorer is using the most at the moment, 434 megs.
That's a lot. Yeah, you're only running 32-bit as well, aren't you?
No, this is 64-bit.
Yeah, but if you notice, everything's times 32 on the left-hand side.
Yeah. Oh, because this is all 32-bit programs.
Yeah, but more importantly, why is IE 32-bit?
I have no freaking clue. I've got 64-bit installed, but it doesn't. It's not the default, so it doesn't start.
Yeah, see, then bring that up, Matt. So, go to performance. Let me have a look at that performance flag. Performance. Now!
You gotta wait 15 seconds.
Ah! Fucking tantrum.
If this was a 32-bit system, it'd be running like shit right now because it's using all the memory it can address.
I was going to say, yeah, because it would be over 2 gig.
There's no reason for it to be using 3.8 gigs.
Hang on, just let me look. How much memory have you got installed on this?
It's only 6 megabytes of physical memory installed. 6 gigs, I mean. It's not. I need to upgrade it, but I don't have the money to put extra RAM in.
No, you don't. No, that should be fine.
Yeah, but it shouldn't be using 3.81 at the moment. It should be down around 1.8 to 2.
No, because you're running Skype for a start. You're running up browsers, Twitch.
Well, if you look at the memory that they've claimed, it's not that much.
Yeah, but you've also got background tasks running behind the scenes. So how much is
which are listed here?
Yeah, how much is the operating system taking up?
The operating system itself is taking up 45 megs.
No, Windows takes up more than 45 megs of memory. Trust me.
That's what it's listing as allocated. Windows Explorer.exe.
No, that's not the operating system. That's just Explorer.
Oh, this is the Explorer up there, the browser.
Yeah, no, Explorer as in the thing that produces the taskbar at the bottom and does all your file handling. That's part of the OS. But you got a lot of background tasks running in the background there.
Only 95.
Yeah, exactly. That's all the operating system, and it's all doing stuff. It's all exchanging messages around. I don't think you've got a problem with the memory. How is it manifesting itself?
Just when I reboot and I don't start anything, and depending on what I start, it's under 2 gigs of usage.
That's roughly what your operating system's taking up then.
Mm-hmm.
So you've taken up 1.8 gigs of usage, running browser sessions, Skype.
Thing
You add up
is,
everything else you've got there onto 2. You're probably not far off.
I add all those up. Oh, add Internet Explorer. Add Windows Media Player. Add Steam.
Mm-hmm.
Add Bonnet, because that's running. And add... Why is there 2 Explorers up? Fine, whatever, I'll add the other one too. That's using a... Okay, yeah, so... Fuck it, it is probably not bad at all.
No, it's doing exactly what you can... Yeah, can he change the laws of physics, GenJeFT?
No. I just need to get more RAM.
Yeah. Oh.
Chris, the funny thing is, I was looking up online. It's like, okay, how much RAM can a 32-bit operating system handle? And one guy came back, it's not a question of how much your software can handle, it's a question of how much your hardware can handle.
Correct. Absolutely.
I think I can put around 32 gigs of RAM on this motherboard.
Yeah. And that's going to be a lot.
Yeah. And it'll be expensive.
Yeah. I mean, you don't need more than about 8 with what we're doing.
Oh, frick. You want to run Minecraft really well? You frickin' need 16 gigs. If you have all the mods.
The funny old thing, I don't fucking run Minecraft, do I? So don't run Minecraft, so I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah. Well, if you ever do, make sure you have a lot of memory. Copy this. Go over to services.txt. Now that I frickin' don't have
Oh,
that
in answer to your question from earlier on, why do you wake up thinking that then... Well, supposedly your State Department has had a quiet word with them, the Russians.
Oh, wait, like Putin would back down from Obama.
No, he's agreed that the current situation is what should happen.
Save. And, oh, come on. This isn't that hard, computer. Maybe I'll just do another virus scan. There shouldn't be anything on here. Is serve... Try to save homework. Granted, it could also be taking a long time to save to this Maxter hard drive because the Maxter hard drive wants to quit. This is the same external hard drive I got when I was over at your place. Hello? Did the call stop? Hello?
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 Ah.
Okay, it went quiet. One does not... I look over at the comments and someone wrote in the comments, one does not simply use Windows without wasting resources.
Oh, he's woken up. It's awake. Here he is. We people. He's just had an afternoon nap. As all gentlemen should in England. An afternoon nap. I'm talking to your friend.
End the process.
You're talking to Jebediah's.
Hello.
In the bath.
It's wet, is it? You got sweated in the bed because you climbed under the quilt, didn't you? Went to sleep. And it got very hot.
Notepad just crashed. I can't get it to stop the process.
Oh dear. Time for a reboot, mate. Go for a reboot.
Yeah. This thing's only been up for... Oh, frick. All Word documents have crashed.
You've probably got something leaked into a bit of memory. It's caused a bit of a corruption.
Yeah, there's memory corruption or something. Son of a... Oh, nope. Home.html is working now. I just want to do my homework. Okay, it did save. Save as. HTML. It could be